Hey guys, it's Kevin here. Welcome to Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, please do hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video helpful, please do hit that like button. And then, of course, share away with some friends. So today I want to talk to you about a product that Samsung has made. It's part of their Jet Stick vacuum cleaning series, and it is the cleaning station. So if you've not seen my video on the vacuum cleaners, be sure to check that out, and you can kind of learn all about what you get with the vacuum cleaners. But today I want to focus on the cleaning station itself. This is an accessory that is sold separately, and essentially what its purpose is with all these canister vacuum cleaners, once all the debris and the dust, you end up just dumping them in your trash can, which reintroduces some of that dust into the air, which is never really good. So this basically captures all of that by you plugging in the canister. It sucks out all the air, puts it into a HEPA filter bag, and keeps everything nice and squeaky clean. So how does that all work? We can go over all that. Once you get it open and open the box, this is the box here that came in. This is the device that it is, and it's very kind of modern looking, sleek and simple. It doesn't take up a lot of room, and it just plugs into an outlet. It has a little handle, so it's easy to carry back here in the back. I'll kind of show the back here. There is another like filter here with a bunch of, like, it's got the carbon pellets. It's got a whole bunch of stuff in there. The instructions will go in detail over all that. And then it plugs in the bottom. On the front here, we'll open this door, which is held by magnets. This comes down, and then inside here is where the bag is. So the bag, pretty straightforward. You just push this down here, drops it, and then pull this straight out. It's as simple as that, and then it automatically blocks it. But yeah, it uses it for multiple uses. So you're not going to fill this bag right away. It'll take a while for you to fill it up, but push it back in, and then push it back up. You hear it snap in place, and now it's ready to install with a new one. And then there's another filter down here at the bottom, which is a washable filter. Just kind of catches that kind of dirt and grime if it gets out of the bag. But the bags are HEPA filters, so they'll capture a lot of the dust. How it works is the air is going to come from here, take the debris into the bag, suck out, go through this filter, and then shoot out the back through that third filter. So it really filters the air and cleans out everything. But that's pretty it. I mean, it's straightforward, very simple when it comes to changing the bags. When you get it, you're going to get 2 extra bags. Now, of course, because it is a bag, once you run out of these, you're going to have to buy more from Samsung. You'll get some instructions, which are pretty straightforward. And then you're also going to get a new canister. So if you have, which I'm assuming you do, have one of the vacuum cleaners in order to get the cleaning station, this canister, it fits with them. It is slightly smaller. Not sure why, but I mean, it's just a fraction smaller here. But the big reason that it's different is, so it has this kind of trap door down here in the bottom, where this is solid on the bottom. So this trap door is what pops open when you put it in here, and it sucks out. But everything else is still the same. You still have the unlock and the lock button. You still have the washable filter at the top. And all the mechanics works. It's just slightly tinier. And then, it just snaps here. It may not work. Well, there you go. Snaps into place. So pretty straightforward. Now, let me kind of show you how, because there's a little debris in here. I want to show you how it works. You're going to press this little door here. It pops open. Now, there's also a light here that will light up, letting you know when the bag's full and when it's operating. So you're just going to push this in, and as you can see, lights up. And that's basically it. As you can, it's sucked everything out really well. We'll close the bag here, and as you can see, there is absolutely nothing in here. And you just snap the door back shut. You may have heard that pulsating sound. That's one of the things it does. It has a vacuum, and then it blasts air back up to kind of break up any debris and dust that's clinging either to the side or the mechanism. And when it runs through its cycles, it automatically turns off. As you saw when I put it in, it automatically turns on. There is an additional start-stop button. So let's say you have it in there and for some reason it didn't get everything and it was really crammed full. You can manually control it again. And then, yeah, you close the door and you're good to go. Easy peasy. So that's basically it. Like I said, this is an additional accessory that you can buy to go with the Samsung Jet Series vacuum cleaners. And feel free to hit me up in the comments section if you have any comments or questions. I do typically respond. I will include a link in the description on where you can find this, like on Amazon. You can also buy it from Samsung's website. I'm sure they sell it at all the major retail stores also. And yeah, that's it. So hit the subscribe button, and until the next video, you guys take it easy. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.